Hey guys, it's been a while since we've done adding integers, so here's a little refresher course. He's excited. All right, so adding integers. We have same sign sum, keep the sign. What that means is if you're adding, you're adding two negatives or two positives, then you just add their absolute values and keep the original sign. So if you added two negatives, the answer is negative. If you added two positives, the answer is positive. Let's see an example. Watch your head, kid. So negative 6 plus negative 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, and because they're both negative, it's negative 11. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Because 8 and 2 are both positive, 10 is positive. Yeah, I'm glad you're doing a thumbs up. All right, different signs. Different signs, difference. Keep the sign of the larger. So if you're adding a positive and a negative, or a negative and a positive, you subtract the absolute values and keep the sign of the larger absolute value. Let's look at an example. Wait, I will get him. You stood on a stool. So if we have negative 6 plus negative 5, we subtract the absolute values. 6 minus 5 is 1. The larger number is 6, so we look at its original sign, which was negative, so the 1 is a negative 1. If we have 8 plus negative 2, we have 8 minus 2, and that equals 6. 8 was originally the larger number, and it was positive, or I'm sorry, 8 is the larger absolute value, and its original number was positive, so our 6 is a positive 6. All right, but what if we're subtracting? When subtracting integers, we keep KCC, which is keep, change, change. We keep the first number, we change the subtraction sign to addition, and then we change the last number to its opposite. So we follow the adding integers rule after that. The example for subtracting integers is 4 minus 5. So we're going to KCC, or keep, change, change. We keep the positive 4, change subtraction to addition, and change the positive 5 to a negative 5. Now we have addition, and we follow different signs difference. So we take the difference of 4 and 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Keep the sign of the larger. Well, 5 is bigger than 4, so we're going to go back to 5's original number in the addition problem, and it was a negative number, so our answer is actually a negative 1. So this is the same thing as if you had $4 and you wanted to spend 5, then you are negative $1. You can't spend that 5 because you are missing a dollar.